To install the NextFit convertible car seat with latch in the rear-facing position, first squeeze the recline adjustment handle and pull forward to adjust to a reclined position. Next, place the NextFit on your vehicle seat in rear-facing position. Make sure the base is flat against the vehicle seating surface and is not blocking the vehicle seatbelt buckle. Refer to the bubble level indicator. Make sure the bubble falls between the two lines for rear-facing installation. Readjust recline as necessary. Make sure the overhang beyond the front edge of the vehicle seat does not exceed the maximum allowance of 3 inches. If you have a NextFit Zip Max, refer to the line on the base to verify. Locate the latch connector storage compartments and remove the latch connectors. Make sure the latch adjuster strap labeled Pull First and the Super Cinch latch tightener strap labeled Pull Second are loosened to their full length. Next, grab both ends of the latch straps and slide them into the blue rear-facing opening on both sides. Close both latch connector storage compartments. Locate the latch anchor bars in your vehicle. Attach both latch connectors to the anchor bars. Pull up on the latch adjuster strap labeled Pull First to tighten and remove the slack. Then, pull down on the Super Cinch latch tightener strap labeled Pull Second to secure the NextFit in place. Lastly, check your work by holding the NextFit at the belt path and pulling side to side and forward. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or side to side. Check to make sure the bubble is still between the two lines for rear-facing installation. If necessary, loosen the latch straps, readjust recline, and repeat installation steps to make sure the NextFit is installed properly.